First, I cut out a piece. This is about 9 by 10. Then I mean, you could do 9 by 11, 9 by 10, 9 by 9. And then I folded it so it probably has about 1.5 to 2 inches worth of a pleat. Then I iron it. After I iron it and put the pleat in it, my husband serges, hey honey, all 4 sides. And one with the pleat gets serged also, so the pleat is in the serge. Then I fold it inside out, just like such. And now I'm gonna put, thank you honey, I'm gonna do a seam right here all the way to here. So I'm only gonna do about a seam about this much on both sides, because then my elastic is gonna go through. And I have it ready to sew. I'm going to put it like a 1/2 inch, maybe a little more down on the side. And I'm gonna just go back and forth right there, come to the bottom, back and forth, but I'm gonna leave a spot on each side.
Yeah. Mommy, where's your tape?
It's upstairs. A spot right here and a spot right here. I'm gonna do that on this side also. So both sides. So now they have a space here for the elastic to go through. And my daughter is doing the sides. She's putting the elastic in the seams or the little pockets that I made. So that tool is really helpful. Now that the ends are tied, hold on Logan, she is poking the corners where the elastic goes through. She's turning the mask now on the, outside, the inside out. Okay, Coco, can you put that one on? Because we'll keep that one. Can you show it to me? And then open it. Oh, I love it. Thank you.